Just look at the condition of this board. Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be connecting a comfort control module on an older model Audi A6. In previous videos, I showed how the interior got flooded, and the comfort module in this car ended up sitting in water. As a result, the contacts got corroded, and I decided not to take any chances. I got the same module, but from a different car. Let's open it up again just out of curiosity. Check the condition of the board, and I'll also explain how to correctly choose this module. The module itself comes apart easily. Let's take a look at the board. You can see that the water caused the contacts to corrode. Even though I tried treating it with lubricant, there are still many spots with oxidized contacts. So, to be safe, I decided to replace the comfort module. The tricky part is choosing the right one. As you probably know, each comfort module has its own unique part number. In my case, it's 4B096225-8B, meaning the last letter is B, so not just any module will work. Ideally, you want to find one with the exact same part number, but other versions might also work. I looked into how to choose the correct module, and here's what I found. These modules differ in the frequencies used to receive signals from the key. So if you install a module with a different ending letter, say K instead of B, the module may operate on a different frequency and your car might not start. For example, my car can start without the comfort module at all, but if I install a module with the wrong frequency, it might not start. Each module has a specific carrier frequency, and that frequency is encoded in the last letter of the part number. In my case, the letter is B. You go to any auto parts catalog and find your module. As it turns out, mine is a central locking control unit for vehicles with an anti-theft system. You'll also see a marking to the right. Mine is labeled 5D1. Now check the table that shows which letters match which frequencies. 5D1. My frequency, 433 MHz. So, if you want to replace your comfort module, take it out. Check the last letter of the part number and look it up in the catalog to make sure the new one will work for you. I went to a local junkyard because if I ordered one from another region, there's a chance it might not work. Turned out the junkyard had a ton of these modules. They brought me 3 to choose from. I picked the cleanest one with the least corrosion, and to be safe, I got one with the letter B, same part number. Now, we just need to connect the new comfort module and test the power windows, door lights, and see if the car even starts. In the final stage, we'll need to sync the remote key, not register it to the car, but sync it so it can lock and unlock the doors remotely. Now I'm connecting all the plugs. Let's try turning on the ignition and see if the car starts. This is my first time doing this. Hopefully, the module works. Okay, we've got ignition. Let's check the power windows. Alright, windows work. Now I'll close all the doors and check if the interior lights turn off. Then we'll try to start the car. All doors are closed. As you can see, the interior lights go off. I open the door. Lights come on. So far, everything seems fine. Now let's check the central locking. You can hear the locks engaging properly. Final test. Let's start the engine. Perfect. The car starts right up. Everything's working great. The only thing left is to sync the remote key fob so we can lock and unlock the car from a distance. Right now, the key only works in the door lock. The remote function is cleared in the new comfort module, so we'll need to add it back. But we'll do that in the next video. Turns out it's not as simple as it sounds. See you soon. In the next video, we'll try to sync the remote key to the new comfort module.